Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on Motorola Moto G67 using recovery mode. So if you're stuck on a recovery mode, then you will need to follow the instructions, but firstly I will show you how to enter the recovery mode by yourself. So first, power off your phone and wait till it's fully shut down. Now click and hold the power on button and the volume down button simultaneously. And right here with volume down button, select the recovery mode and then click the power on button. We need to wait till it's fully loaded. And we see no command. Then click the power on button and once the volume up button. And now we have a couple of options. We have Reboot System Now, Reboot to Bootloader, Enter Fastboot, Apply Update from SD card, Wipe Data Factory Reset, Mount System, View Recovery Logs, Run Graphics Test, Run Locate Test, and Power Off. So we gonna choose the Wipe Data / Factory Reset and then click Power On button. Then remember that it will wipe all of your data, your Google accounts, your apps, photos, music, everything on your phone will be wiped out. Select Factory Data Reset and select. Now data wipe complete, as you can see, and select Reboot System Now. Wait for it to reload, and now just use the setup to set up everything on your phone. How to do it, the video is on our channel. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.